Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play Little Alchemy 2 full guide. Combine 2 elements at a time and observe new results. Keep obvious pairs in mind and avoid random guessing. Begin with fire, water, air, and earth, then branch to life and tools. Note patterns and reuse components to speed discovery. Save interesting combos and experiment with one new pairing each session for steady progress. When combining, think systematically and group possibilities to reduce repetition and save time. Start with predictable mixes, then test surprises that bridge categories like living plus tools. Track what you make and prioritize elements that spawn many new combos. Use small experiments with 2 or 3 new attempts each session, and you will steadily fill your encyclopedia while enjoying the discovery process. Keep hints limited to preserve fun, and focus on items that generate many outcomes to expand your collection faster. Experiment with newly created elements right away because they often unlock chains of recipes. If you plan to revisit combos, jot them down to save time. Stay curious, test connections across categories, and reward yourself for solving tricky pairings without immediate help or spoilers.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.